Number one thing you must let go of to manifest more money fast. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and the craziest thing is that usually the reason you haven't attracted the money that you want and the abundance you want is because of this one thing. Let me share it with you. Let's dive right into this video. The number one reason that most people do not attract and manifest more money fast is because our world has been conditioned in a certain way. Our world believes that abundance and prosperity is irregular. Now, the reason we think that is, just think about it. You've been conditioned for your entire life. You turn on the news right now or as you're growing up as a kid, and there was always image of poverty, of this problem with the economy, these people in the world suffering, we don't have enough gas, oh, soon we're not gonna have enough water, and there's all these people struggling, and da-da-da-da-da. We've been conditioned with this. In fact, 9 out of 10 people die with less than $10,000 and virtually no financial assets. And 50% of Americans were reported to say that they could not come up with $500 cash immediately for an emergency. So we're living in a world where most everyone around us is struggling financially. So the reality is that abundance or prosperity is irregular. It is uncommon. And the commonality of our life is struggle and lack. That's the way our world is conditioned. Now, that's not reality, but that's the way our world is conditioned. It's conditioned to look at the world in that way because that's what we experience over and over and over again. It's time that you realize that abundance is your birthright. It's your God-given right to wealth. It's your God-given right to abundance and prosperity and to freedom. And that's the natural state of our universe. It's the natural, there's more than enough money, food, water, places to live, clothes for everyone in this world. It's the human mind that has created scarcity and limitation. It's not the truth of this universe. It's not the truth of this world. So what happens is we have one consciousness, one collective consciousness of the human race, of humanity. And that collective consciousness is programmed in the way I spoke of earlier. 9 out of 10 people die with less than $10,000 and virtually no financial assets. Most people are struggling. So many people are in debt. There's so much impressions subconsciously of poverty, lack, limitation, failure, suffering, that it's infiltrated so much of us on an unconscious level. But the beautiful thing is you have a conscious mind. Your conscious mind has the ability to accept or reject any idea. Most people have accepted the idea that abundance is irregular. How can you manifest more money if you think abundance is irregular? It's incongruent. It's impossible. Believe me right now. Feel this right now. Abundance is your birthright. Abundance is your birthright. There is more money printed every single day. We lose. There's millions of dollars lost lying around all over the place every single day. More is printed every single solitary day. So much money is printed that it's actually losing its value. Isn't that crazy? Money loses its value every year because there's too much of it. That's the government, that's the Federal Reserve's biggest problem that they've created. They printed too much of it, so it's losing its value. So believe and know abundance is natural and normal. Comment down below. Abundance is my birthright. Comment that down below. Abundance is my birth. You have to be dead serious and grasp that you are a child of God, a piece of this universe, and that human consciousness has created our scarcity, our lack, and our limitation. That this week can be the week that your whole financial life changes. This is the week that you can manifest more money. You have to realize that any thought pattern that's coming up while I'm saying this is literally a conditioned response in your subconscious mind. So you may have some doubt while you're listening, but at least recognize that it's a conditioned response in your subconscious mind. It's not the truth. So comment down below, abundance is my birthright. I manifest money fast and easy. I manifest money fast and easy. Condition your mind that way. The number one thing that blocks people is they believe that money's hard to come by and that it's irregular and that some people are going to do well and most people aren't going to do well and they're going to struggle and suffer and you're just going to be in debt and you're just going to be underpaid and that's just the way it is. No, do not accept that. Do not accept living an average life. Do not accept living on a level of consciousness and reality where you believe the infinite supply of the universe is limited. Abundance is lost in ends of infinity. There's so much of it. Make that choice with me today. Make the choice that you're going to start to see the world that way. And when fear, doubt, worry, and old conditioned responses come up, what happens to most people is they don't recognize it's a conditioned response. They identify with a thought pattern and then it controls and dictates their conscious reality that they experience. No, not us. When that comes up, you're going to say, oh, that's just a conditioned response. That's not truth. Is that really true? Who would I be without that thought? Well, I'd be living in a reality of abundance and prosperity and excited about the good things coming. And when we're in this vibration, we're in harmony with wealth and abundance, and it can come to us quickly. So comment down below, I manifest money fast and easy. Down below, make that your affirmation today and look for the ways that it shows up in your life today. This is a sign from the universe that there are good things on their way and that abundance is your birthright. Any idea otherwise is a human idea of lack and limitation. You are not just a human being. You are a spiritual being in a human body. This is your meat suit, your garage that houses your infinite soul. Know this. Download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. Start to train yourself to get rid of those thought patterns. jakeshypnosis.com down below. It's free. Use that today to train your mind to get rid of those human ideas that there's lack and limitation. The perfection of the universe is true, it's infinite, and it's absolutely abundant in nature. So hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification right over there. That's what notifies you for a new video. Even if you've subscribed, just double check and make sure that you've hit the bell notification right there. And then be sure you like this video to support the channel. That sends it out into the YouTube algorithms for everyone to see more of it. So comment down below, I manifest money quick and easily. Make that your affirmation today and decide that you're going to start to see the world as a naturally abundant place and that your birthright is wealth and abundance.